Hello guys, welcome to the video, creating your Reddit account. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about creating an account on Reddit. Let's get started. Go to reddit.com, click on the sign up button on the top right corner of the main page. Then you have three options to sign up using Google, Apple ID, and email. In this tutorial, I will sign up using Google, in order to make another video on changing your username on Reddit. Now, you are signed up successfully. You need to choose your gender and select topics that you are interested in. Also, you can join some communities that match your needs and style your avatar. In the next video, I will show how can you change your username on Reddit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check our website for more tools and training.